presentation with a short story. Few years ago, we are off to North India. There, we even don't know the way to our destination. And as it's North India, we are not able to understand their language. So, we are not able to reach our destination. We don't have proper transportation. But fortunately, we have booked a private taxi. But in the middle of the journey, the taxi driver started demanding for the more money to reach our station. But we refused it. Then the taxi driver abandoned us in the middle of the journey.
Think once if your situation. What will you do?
Hello all.
Welcome to India. This is Siddharth.
And this is Ashish from Daphne Civils Academy. This is the incident happened to Bhavish Agarwal, who is the CEO of Ola Cabs. How many of you have an experience with Ola Cabs? Wow, fascinating. Eventually, you may get this doubt that why did we take this company?
Now, we took this company because Ola has a tremendous evolution over the past 5 years. And it is seen as growth over the tax market sector.
Firstly, let us know about the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the Bhavish Agarwal, who is the co-founder and CEO of Ola Cabs. And he founded this company along with Ankit Bhati, who is the companion of Bhavish Agarwal. And he is also a co-founder of ANT Technologies.
A person of IIT Bombay, Bhavish worked in Microsoft Research in 2 years, where he filed 2 patents and published 3 papers in international journals.
Let us have a mini look on Ola. Ola Cabs was started as Ola, which is an Indian multinational ride-sharing company, which was started in 2010 in Mumbai, that offers services such as vehicles for rent and also food services with a company named Foodpanda.
If you believe that Ola is a short form of abbreviation or not, the word derived from the Spanish word Ola, which translates hello. And the logo has a row which represents a type.
Okay, now we'll explain that why did we take this company.
We took this company as a study because Ola created tremendous innovation for the past 5 years, and it has largest cab service provider in India.
Today it is the largest cab service provider in the country. Revenue of Ola has also increased almost 10-fold over the past 5 years.
The importance of Ola. Ola is India's largest mobility platform and one of the world's largest ride-hailing companies, servicing 250 across India, New Zealand, UK and US.
And also Ola app offers mobility solutions by connecting customers to drivers and a wide range through transportation like bikes, autos and rickshaws, enabling convenience for hundreds of millions of customers and also 1.5 million driver partners. Ola always moves towards its objectives. Ola plans to focus on and expand in its Indian market and it's customizing its operations and suit the needs of its local market and customer base. The company's focused approach has immensely helped in driving its growth.
Ola aims to use technology to shake up and dominate the car for hire and wider transportation for the society.
And some of the questions were asked by public to Ola. Let us know them. What does our company does?
Ola is built an independent DNA. Innovations, experiments and problem solving all the core what we do. And secondary, do you know why our team is amazing?
Yes, I know that. Ola is building a new mobility ecosystem with the consumer at the core. The 3 pillars of new ecosystem are new mobility services such as the services we receive and new energy vehicles and also new auto rentals. These 3 pillars amplify and enhance the impact on each other integrated on new mobility platform. Do you know that Ola is very unique? Do you know the reason?
Ola have a good grip on technology with an in-house payment wallet that avoids friction at the time of booking at the right of settling the fare. Ola operates a number of services like Share, Mini, Prime Lux, etc. Something for every budget.
Okay, I appreciate it, but I have a doubt that why should people support Ola?
It's a good question because of our vision.
Yes, our vision is to empower women from low-income groups to become change makers and leaders to their communities. And next one, let us know the scope for Ola in future.
The first one is rise in technology and internet. It is estimated that by the end of the year 2022, the smartphone users are gonna grow to 7.1 billion.
And secondly, huge development in taxi business. Taxi business has been started from our ancient times, starting from horse carts, you see, and lots of Indicas and ambassadors now. And also thirdly, growth in funds. Ola also raised more than $1.5 billion from 20 angel investors who are interested to invest in this company, and also currently it is valued more than $5 billion.
Yeah, forthcoming the customer referral programs. In this, user gets a 16-digit alphanumeric code in which he or she can share with their friends in WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Then they can use this code to sign up in Ola.
And finally, fees competition for the competitors. Means Ola started in 2010, but Uber launched in India in 2013, but it has previous experience in USA. So that Uber is continuously chasing Ola, it is trying to get over Ola. This competition what triggered the growth of Ola in future. This competition what made the Ola get improvised and evolved through the lab. And let us know this walk analysis.
Let's start with its strengths. The first one is first mover advantage.
As I said you, it is the first company to establish in India. As it was founded in 2010 and was launched in 2011.
The second one is product range.
And the third one is technology. It is mainly focused on geographical locations. That means you see in cities and villages there are less of poor transportation, so that they focus on this technology, and also they will focus on it.
The fourth one is low investment.
And the fifth one is dynamic pricing. You see that Ola prices are not always same. They are variable because it will be variable on the weather conditions, if there is bad weather conditions, and also their environment systems. Let's come to weaknesses.
The first one is drivers are the face of the company. If they misbehave with the customers, the brand will be disturbed.
Yes, and the second point is, while the demand is used, the amount of cash burning is also used, and monetization is very, very difficult. Nextly, opportunities.
The first one is wider market.
And the second one is increasing in internet penetration, what mobiles were growing. I mean, the technology in the mobiles were also growing. That's what.
The second one is increasing internet penetration.
And the third one is poor government transportation, and fourth one is shifting the consumers towards the convenience. Let's come to challenges.
The first one is rising competition. The second one is access to layer government regulations in developing countries.
And also the final point is future is unclear, basically because of lack of regulations, and customer loyalty is also very less in this industry. Okay, with this we will end this walk analysis, but we will focus on the main competitors of it. Firstly, it is Uber. I said Uber. It was founded in 2009, but it launched in India in 2013. Their headquarters are situated in California, US.
The next one in the list is Menucabs. It was established in April 2007. It does not give the services given by Ola, and the headquarters are in Mumbai.
And also the third competitor is Rapido, which is a bike taxi, and it was launched in India in 2015, and the headquarters are in Bangalore. Let us know the subsidies and services which are provided by Ola. First one is ride hailing. You see, it will start from the bike to mini, and it will go to auto, and also mini luxurious. It starts from the economic range, and it also continuously evolves to luxurious range.
The second one is Ola Freight. In January 2015, Ola bought a radio taxi company known as Gcabs. Then it renamed as Ola Freight.
And the third one is Ola Cars.
The fourth one is Ola Foods.
And the fifth one is Ola Dash, which is a grocery store.
The sixth one is Ola Financial Services.
Ola, along with the other companies, Ola also proved that it also have humanity and started a foundation called Ola Foundation.
Ola Foundation, the social welfare arm of Ola, is an outcome of a belief based on year interaction research and extensive study on far research impact of enabling equipping women with right skills.
And Ola is dedicated to ensure women to have access in resources and opportunities that bring sustainable changes in their lives. Let us know the achievements of Ola. Ola creates a partnership with drivers and cab owners across India, and also they made a top-notch technology and innovative solutions and expanded over 250 plus cities by year 2020. And it was went on to provide 2 lakhs rides per day and also registering with a growth rate of 40%.
They took their business ideas to many angel investors and successfully managed to get an investment of 34 lakhs. Revenue of Ola Cabs have grown more than 10 times over the past 5 years.
And next, let us know the expansion plans of Ola. Ola's biggest expansion plan is to hire 10,000 people and expand it to 350 cities by 2022.
Ola Cabs has lined up aggressive expansion plans for the funding around from SoftBank. Ola targets to have on board a immediate driver partners in 3 years.
Ola's other expansion plan is it wants to focus on further invest on technology and provide a better experience in customers as well as in smaller cities also in 2-tier and 3-tier cities, places.
Ola CEO started a social media that company presently purchased roughly 1,000 scooters each day. The goal of 2 million in the first phase.
And the next one is Ola also have a corporate social responsibilities. Ola is committed to operate and grow its business in a social responsible way. Our vision is to grow our business as well as reducing environmental impact and increasing in our positive impacts. Let us know the responsibilities.
The first one is honor the spirit of love and be responsible corporate citizen. And the second one is strive for sustainable development for economic growth.
And thirdly, encouraging positive impacts through its activities.
And fourthly, adopt an approach that aims at achieving a greater balance between social and economic development. And finally, enhance and implement the society welfare measures in a well-structured manner.
And also let us know the customer reviews.
Ola has downloads 100 plus million downloads and 2 million plus reviews. And it has good reviews 4.5.
And also let us know the fast ratings now. Ola gives a quick service and also it has slow and controlled driving.
And it is easy to access and faster pickups. And let's start with the and with the reviews. The first one is surprising.
And second one is behavioral issues with drivers because they are the background of the company. So their misbehavior will directly affect the brand. And also third one is cancelling the ride without any prior notice. That's a small review. Next. Let us know the summary here. Ola cabs have been highest share of voice of 60%.
Males are more likely to talk about cabs than females.
And also youth tend to talk about taxi services as compared to elder group. The youth means users.
One of the most successful campaign of Ola is Ola Mini.
And the final point is the key element is making Ola successful brand and is efficient and quick accessibility which was offered by phone. Okay, we both made some suggestions to the Ola company. Let us see that. Giving a period notice before cancelling a ride, I said it.
And the second one is the presence of emergency button and a phone service.
And also the third and important suggestion, that is the main point, make some improvements in 3D, that is technology, tracking and also the trust.
Next one is seasonal lights.
And next one, making some basic training for new drivers.
And finally, expanding the business to other countries so that they can give a ride for less amounts.
And finally, we made a short conclusion. Ola has been a tremendous growth in taxi market sector. I already said that. Ola has successfully achieved public support and created a buzz about the brand of the market. And also, Ola promotes its brand by traditional methods. On the other hand, it uses modern techniques for promotion.
At the same time, it does not forget to highlight its name in society safety, creating a social awareness and promoting acts to humanity. Kudos to the ideas of founders, and something more to make us proud is that it has been started in India by 2 genius Indians.
Let's watch a small advertising of Ola. also this organization, and thank you for this glorious opportunity.